Hi, I'm back with a new tutorial on how to make model files with the DeepSeek AI. This video is a follow-up video, or the next video after watching the two videos in the AI series. They will be linked in the card in the top right corner or in the description. Please watch those videos first. We will open Chrome and visit olama.com and then click on models, and it's the first one because it's really popular. I click on it and now you see there's a 1.5 billion token till the 671 billion token version. I would recommend, for my kind of setup, a 7 billion one, but if you have something more beefy you can get to 32 billion or 70. 671 billion with 404 gigabytes is for data centers. So I will click on 7 billion and copy this command, which is to run, which also downloads, and then DeepSeek R1 and the 7 billion tokens. Let's open terminal and type that command and then click enter. Now it's pulling it and then it will let you chat to it. Now it downloaded and it will let me send a message to it. I'll send hello and it shows its thinking process. It didn't think about anything, but if I type it didn't understand yet, but in the Open Web UI I think it will be good. So we can leave with /by, and now we can start the setup with my shell script. So execute AI and then tab AI start.sh, enter, and it started. I can visit localhost and it started just like that. If I start a new chat and then DeepSeek is there, I send hello, thinking, and hello, how can I assist you today? Amazing. Now let's get into the amazing part, a thing that DeepSeek did not implement yet, which are model files, kind of like GPTs for ChatGPT. So let's get into it. We will click on workspace and knowledge. This is my own example for an AMD CPU expert. I'll click plus. So what are you working on? The knowledge base name. So AMD CPU specifications. Perfect. What am I trying to achieve? Let me just copy it from my GitHub. You can read it from my GitHub if you want to copy exactly what I'm doing. Create knowledge, and now we are in the knowledge and we click on the collection and then we add the content, upload files, and I give it these CSV files that I downloaded from AMD website. That's with the knowledge base. I will also create an Intel one. So Intel CPU specifications. What am I trying to achieve? So I am trying to achieve these things with it. For it to tell me core counts, thread counts, base boost, clock speed, all of those things. Create knowledge, add content, upload files, and I will give it some Intel CSV files, which I got from Intel Arc, not the GPU, which is ARC, the website ARK. And now we have two knowledge bases. Let's start with the model files. So let's go into models and click this little plus icon. Now let's name it something. AMD CPU expert. That sounds epic. Now, from where does it want, what model are you talking to? You're basically making a much stronger model. I'll select DeepSeek and a short description. So let me get the description. This model is optimized for querying and analyzing AMD CPU specifications using a... Yeah, it makes sense. And now the system prompt, which is telling it what to do. So you need to tell it what it is, what's its role, all of those things. There you go. You are an expert in AMD CPUs. Use the attached knowledge base to provide precise and concise answers to technical questions about AMD processors, such as specifications, performance details, and comparisons. Prompt suggestions. Let's add some prompt suggestions. So let's say here, what are the specifications of the Threadripper Pro 7995WX? Perfect. Oh no, sorry. Workspace, models. To edit, just in case this happens, you click the little pen. And let's add a second one. For example, compare the Threadripper Pro 5995WX with the Threadripper Pro 7995WX. Those are the prompt suggestions. And now the knowledge that we created. Select knowledge and AMD CPU specifications. Tools, you can leave them empty. And now let's get to the capabilities. It doesn't have vision, but we can enable usage and citations. Save and update. And now we have the AMD CPU expert. And let's try chatting to it, but after creating the Intel CPU expert. So let's make that Intel CPU expert. And it's from DeepSeek R1. Description. I'm gonna just go through this quickly because you understand it now. And knowledge, Intel CPU, save and create. And now we have two models, which are both based on DeepSeek. New chat. And now we can see them in the AIs. So let's first talk to the AMD CPU expert and ask it the specifications of the Threadripper Pro 7995WX. Click on it and send. Now it's thinking. He's reading a file. And look, it's in his thinking. And he says that these IDs, he read the files. Over here you see that he read those files. This is still in his thinking, not his actual response. Let's wait for it to talk. He closed the thinking and now he's telling us the real stuff. So these are the specifications. And they are correct. Let's visit the CSV file, or actually let's visit AMD. So it gave you a notification that it's a new chat. So let's copy that. Specification, specs from AMD. Oh. Okay, from Tech Power Up. Physical. So the socket STR5. Let's see. STR5 is correct. Cache, let's see. Or what's more important is the CPU core. So let's see if it's correct with 96. Processor. 96 cores, correct? Threads. 192, correct. Integrated graphics. It doesn't mention it because it's not there. Unlocked for overclocking. I'm not sure if we'll see it here. But let's see if he knows the Foundry. Probably not, but PCIe version. Also, here. So PCIe Express Gen 5, and here it says 5. You understand that it read these files and is sure that it's correct. And we compare it with the official specs, and it's perfectly correct about them. This is amazing. It's combining the knowledge of DeepSeek and the files that you give it, which is just amazing. Even because DeepSeek didn't even create that. Let's try talking to the Intel CPU expert. Oh, okay, never mind. Let me just fix that. Okay, let's ask it this example question. Now it's thinking. Let's see. He's really talking to himself. Oh, he's really thinking a lot. So he's confirming himself. Now he's saying what he understood. So 8 cores. Let's see. Let's copy this. Specs. Here from Intel Arc. So let's see CPU specifications. Total core 16. 8. Never mind. Base clock speed. Performance core. It's almost correct. The AMD did much better. But yeah, it's amazing. It's still cool that you can give it files and it reads from them. I hope you managed to make model files with the DeepSeek AI, which is the best AI now. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and goodbye.